Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu kwasendoda lesogogo bathini bathu mavula kuvala emzeni ododa Auntie Usha, your number one locksmith, technician yedlozi, engineer yomsamo. Yey, namhlanje we are unpacking a very sensitive topic, and I don't want people to be misled by this video. Please guys, I'm not saying gogo bathini Mbata has muti for lotto. Raise up your hands, those who wants to win lotto. Raise up your hands. No, because I'll also raise my hand because I also would like to win lotto. That would be great. Jackpot. Oh, that would be great. But I do win lotto. I do because nyawuthola lo 3 numbers loyo, yabo? Nyawuthola lo 3 numbers loyo. I do win lotto. Not once, not twice, several times. I won lotto. Those numbers, I do get it. I did a video where it was titled I won lotto. The same message I was pushing, I was not trying, I was pushing. It's the same message I'm pushing today, or similar. I got a call, a voice note from my brother, Usfiso, telling me that he had 3 people on 3 different dreams, visions, on the same night, giving him lotto numbers. Okay. Then he sends a voice note as a brother to say, hey, I had these dreams, which means I slept well. I said, well, yes, you did sleep well. However, those are the very, 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 very sensitive dreams you can share. Guys, you do not share your winnings, because when you're having numbers, if somebody gives you numbers, and if you are a kind of a person that lives with a journal next to them, like myself, or your phone always being read on notes, you need to write those numbers down. But the best way to do is to use a pen and a paper. Write those numbers down. Do not send anyone. Because, I had several stories, people saying to me, Gogo, you know what, I do win lotto, Gogo. I do win lotto. I do win Amahashi, pick 6, whatever they call it. Gogo, I do win Umshayna. However, by the time somebody comes, it's either they've lost my numbers, they didn't have money, they went to drink my number. Mutatati malake lotto ayoidagwa. Aphume lawo malotho lawo. What will I do to that person? I don't know. Anishdev, I don't know. Imagine giving somebody to say, Chief, these are the numbers, please go play me these numbers, and that person goes and buy a beer or buy a time or buy a matata. It doesn't matter what they buy, or buy quarter with your money. Then you are sitting there, and you are waiting for your ticket. You are sitting there and you are seeing what is on TV or on radio, TV. You tick, you tick, you tick. Then you celebrate. Then you celebrate. What are you celebrating? Which you have won lotto? Which lotto? Which lotto? Your ancestors came to you. Maybe you went somebody to the healer. Yabo? Bakeza man, bakgoma, bakpeita. Yabo? Bakpeita, bakeza man. You can feel now ukuthi you are in the presence of wealth. You are in the presence of luck. Guys, you need to feel it before you get to it. You need to feel it. You'll never be wealthy if you don't feel it, if you don't claim it. If even your work must tell ukuthi you uphokopele ukuya somewhere, huh? You must feel it. Yeah, It must be in you ukuthi you feel ukuthi something is coming, because you need to be ready for wealth. You need to be ready for luck. How many people are ready? How many people can raise their hands and say, we are ready? Guys, I'll always refer to this educational show. I blew it. It's because it is shows like that tells us, that gives us a clear indication. Uguti, if you are not ready, if you do not have a journal where you jot your things, if you don't have these shandies, if you don't have these shandies where you jot your things, there's a lot of pages. This one is new. Don't think that I'll go. What are you talking about? Because this one is empty. No, this one is new. It's new. It's new. Don't have something. If you don't have something like this, whereby you'll wake up in the morning and write things up, what is it that you want to achieve? What are the important things that you want to achieve? That's where you write your lotto numbers. That's where you write the numbers out of China. The numbers out of China. This is where you write it. Numbers out of the pere. Because you are saving. This is your hard drive, not your phone. Yes, they can both get lost. Yes, it's common. Let's not go there. Let's not be negative. They can both get lost. But this hard drive is safer, because as you are writing with your pen on the paper, you are transferring what is here to here. From here, it goes to practical. Things, they will start rolling. Izinto seziyenze. And you ask yourself, why? Because you are smart. Things are happening because you are smart. You have transferred things from where? From to your channel. Right. I did not say from to Swanibani, because that Swanibani, you do not share anything that has to do with your pure luck. Even if that person is your child, even if that person is your parent or your sibling or your relative or your colleague or your partner, you do not give your lotto numbers to anyone under any circumstance. I know people who want to be negative, others. They say, oh, Gogo, but what if I do not have time? What if this, what if? It's fine. Deal with your what ifs. Deal with your English. I mean, I'm dealing with practicals, not English. I'm not teaching English here. So, please, guys, if it happens that you win lotto, if it happens that you went somewhere where like Giyani, Durban, Pietermaritzburg, Limpopo, Free State, Kokaikai, Northwest, if it happens that your ancestors comes to you with lotto numbers, with whatever winnings, whatever, or a dream seeing yourself, now I need to go to a casino and play nyana, go. There's a lady whom I used to work in Durban. I think Beuga K. If I'm not mistaken, but Emlas. I used to work with Emlas. There's a lady that I've helped when I was working there. And it happened that the lady wins lotto. One of the reasons that made me to run away, I'll use the word running away, but although whoever who was seeing me, Emlas, can still see me now because the numbers are still the same. But the reason that, one of the reasons, there were many other reasons. One of the reasons that made me to leave that house, that made me to leave Umlas, was people coming to me saying, I want to win lotto. 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 Because to me, that was misleading. To me, that was misleading. So I've asked this lady to say, please stop telling people about your luck. all I did, it was to open all your luck. So if within your luck there's an ancestor that has lotto numbers, then they came to you. I did not even want to know what happened to your lotto numbers. But if you can ask me, where is that sister today? Where is she today? Maybe because maybe she was one of the people in the show. I blew it. Just that I can't even remember her face. But that's where she was going. She was a nurse. She stopped working. Things started rolling. What? Buying expensive cars. Buying what? This person has a calling. She's always said to me, Gogo, I cannot go through this journey of a spiritual journey because of the issue of my calling, the issue of what. But here she is, forgot about her calling. Totally forgot about her calling. Now doing what? Doing things here. Just spending. Luckily, I ran away before she can even come back to say, hey, Gogo, I blew it. There's one lady that did come Mpangeni. I suspected, but I was not sure, but she didn't go that route to say, hey, to say, remember me. So guys, please, this video is straightforward. And the people will ask themselves, which is a fair question. Why, Gogo? Why, Gogo? Why, Gogo? I'll tell you why. It is because your ancestors, they came to you alone because they were opening your luck, your financial, they were giving you the key for financial freedom. And that key belongs to you and not anyone else. If that key was for a public domain, if that key was for just everyone, if that key was for family members, they were going to give you a certain set of numbers, give somebody else another numbers, giving somebody else another numbers, and you wake up and say, yazi ngiphupe ugogo asinika manamba awami ati awakho ati, then we'll play around with those numbers. But ugogo or umkhulu or umalume or ubaba or umama or whoever, they came to you because that belongs to you, and you need to do things in secret. Your ancestors didn't go on top of the highest building, Carton Center, on the 50th floor and say to you, Mzukulu, bathini mbada, Gogo, nazi number zakho zelotho, where everybody's listening. Nazi number zakho zelotho, 10 111. Hamb yonotha mzukulu. Salute, salukazi sendoda. Never. If you are waiting for that dream, forget it. You'll never have it. Forget it. I don't know. You can go and argue with your friends. I don't care. You'll never receive that dream. Never. It will never happen. Dreams, they come when we are sleeping, where we are connected with our ancestors spiritually. That's where they come. Where you are conducive. Because you can be a toxic person. A toxic person, but because of your mind and your spirit, they rotate. They keep on finding the match. You know, when you are sleeping, you are like a closed safe, money safe. The one that opens with a number combination. You see that? That's how it works. So it depends. Uguti, are you sober? Are you going to sleep with a sober mind? Because if your mind, if you are the hand that is holding, let's say this is a safe, right? And this round circle, it's where you need to get your combination or whatever it's called of your numbers, right? Whenever you are at this hand, the safe of money is sitting like this. No. Let me put it this way. I don't like it when the candles, they're sitting cockeye. So you need to find this combination. Even the safe, it has it has numbers there. These lines with numbers. So you are coming with this. You need to find this. You need to get it right. You are opening the safe. So if you are drunk, you don't even know how you slept. You don't know even how you arrived in your place. Ngoba bukathi nxilile, hayi bunxilile wethu. Hayi bunxilile wethu, hayi bunxilile. Ungaze ubuza udadu bawo uzokuxelela. So if you can't, because you are drunk. So what happens when you win lotto? It's because for the very first time you slept with not just a hope, but with a spiritual hope that one day your ancestors will open your things. That one day your ancestors will recognize ukuthi you are doing nothing but what it takes for them to see ukuthi you are struggling. For until you get it right on that department, until your mind is there, 120%, your mind is there. Trust me, this is what's going to happen. Ivuleke. It's safe. Lotto numbers. Your lotto numbers. 6 numbers plus jackpot. Gone. How many people knows the combination of that safe? It's only you. It's only you. It's only you. So it is up to us. That's why I'm saying, guys, we need to do these things in secret. Not everyone wants to know where you got your help. Where do you go for your wealth? Where do you go to look for things? Not everyone must know you are steaming now. I'm steaming. I'm using my stuff. I don't want you to see me and everything. Yes, you can tell them what you don't want to see them, but don't tell them what is it that you're going to do. So you give somebody a stuff. They are sitting on the tavern. They're telling their friends, okay, but I'll see you tomorrow. A person will go, you know, guys, I can't drink because of good treatment. In guys, wealth is found in secret. Wealth is inside the safe. A strong room, not just a safe, a strong room. A strong room. It is secured. Your wealth is so secured. It's shocking. It is shocking. So if you have that muti, if you have that thing that you are doing, guys, it's for you. Ngalokhu memezo lokuba ngumsindo utshena wonke umuntu utshela nezitha zakho. Because when we are talking too much, trust me, even your enemy get informed. By who? By you. Then when the ancestor says, they take it. You don't blow it. You didn't blow it. They took it. You didn't blow it. They took it. They took it. They are going to give it to somebody else that deserves it. So why I'm doing this video? It's because I want to say to you, not even me, if I am the one that is helping you, not even myself that wants to know how much lotto money you have won. If it happens, I'm not saying I have money multi for lotto. If it happens, I open your luck to that extent. Not even me. I do not want any percentage. There's no money that you must bring to me to be prayed for. It is yours and yours alone. Please do not involve me, because tomorrow you are going to blame me. Yes, you can come phela uzongishanga sincane nyana uthi asaluka sendoda kukhona la, you know, you've opened this smaller nyana door. I just came with this 20 rand to say salukazi, buy yourself a sniff. That one I'll appreciate. That one I'll appreciate. That one, it's a definite I'll appreciate. However, do not tell me. Do not tell anyone. Do not send anyone to go and play Lotto or China for you. Do not send anyone to say, you know what, I dreamed of me at a casino. I was with you. Let's go and play Lotto. Let's go to the casino. Because on my vision, I was with you. No. angazi noma iyazwakala. I don't know. I know of people who have won in the casino, and back at home they were looking for them. They didn't even know where they are, but because they were sent by their ancestors to say, go and look for wealth. Here's your wealth. Now we are giving it to you. That's why we find people saying, Gogo, as I used to win a casino, I used to have luck in casino. It's because you no longer have that luck in casino because you told everyone that doesn't care about you. You told every useless person, including Gogo Batini wako, ukuthi you always win lotto in. Batini must not know about it. It's not his baby. Guys, we're starting something very interesting. Spiritual journey. We're going to share testimonials, and I'm going to be giving a guidance, most importantly about spiritual journey. It is the page is available on Facebook. Straightforward, spiritual journey. You'll see it's written in lime green words with emblems, taxi, bus, barefoot, flight, as well as a car and a motorcycle. Why we've designed the logo like that, it's because we are saying do what it takes to connect with yourself spiritually. And spiritually connection, or to embark on a spiritual journey, it's not about people who have a calling. We all have our own spirit that we need to connect with. We all have that. No one whatsoever who doesn't have that. It's not about sangomas. This is not the journey about sangomas. It's a journey about finding out about yourself. And the nice thing that when I started this, what I had when it kept on building up since 1999, it's only now that I got it exactly, or rather I found words to explain it. It took me between 1999 when I got my first passport, and when I left Bridge Street Home Affairs, I went straight to the park station. I took a bus to Mozambique, because I needed to know myself. The reason for me to take a passport, it was to find a connection with my spirit. So I know why this thing's going to be interesting is because it's just going to be few people. It's just going to be few people that are going to join, and we're going to have fun with them. Because why? People do not want to visit themselves. People abafuni ukuzinuka amakhwapha. People, they hate self-introspection. People don't want to visit that part. And I understand. I fully understand why people don't want to visit that. So, guys, I humbly ask you to say, please join us on this spiritual journey. Whether you are riding, whether you take a flight to go there, whether it's around the corner, you can walk to go there, whether you can take a bus to go there, a taxi to go there, or you can drive there, it doesn't matter. We will share many things. Guys, those who wants to go to Swaziland, I've heard about this waterfall. We share such things. We are not going to share things ukuthi mina ngihamba kugogo ubathini mbatha. No, we are not going to share that. We're just going to share things that are interesting. Guys, I've identified this waterfall. It's very clean, and I've made sure that I leave it as clean as it is. You can contact me. I'll give you the addresses. Please leave it clean as well, because we have a lot of these places that they end up being secured by the people that are near there, and they charge you because they to go there, because we are not taking care of such things. So we'll be sharing such information. I'll also share my journey that I'm going to take. It's going to be a spiritual journey that I'll be riding from South Africa to Namibia. I'll be riding with a motorcycle from South Africa to Zimbabwe, to Swaziland, to Mozambique. There are many places that I'll be wanting to ride with my motorcycle to those places as a spiritual journey. It is not a marketing, because I'll not be marketing anything, but it's just a spiritual journey because there are things that I also need to get for myself. As a healer, there are things that I need to get for you guys, and there are things that I need to get that will assist me. That's when I use a bike. So we're going to share all of these things. Not always that I'll be using a bike. Even if I'm going somewhere and I'll be flying, I'm going to share with you so that I encourage you from where you are to say, use what is you have. Use what is exposed to you to get where you need to get, for as long as you can connect with your spirit. That's why the slogan for spiritual journey is go find out. Simple. Go find out. Guys, we have people who do not know their identity. You don't know who your father is, which is the most common one. There are people who don't know who their mothers are. There are people who don't know their parents at all. They were raised in orphanage homes. They were just thrown on the road, whatever it may be. It just differs and differs and differs. So we need to find that connection. And the only way to find that connection is to embark on a spiritual journey. Please, for now, guys, go to Facebook, Spiritual Journey, and then you'll find out about the thing. Please follow, and then there are a lot of things that are going to follow. And we want to separate issues. We are going to have a special channel that will be focusing on that. People used to say, Goku, you don't post anything, what? I will now post, but I will publish it on that specific channel, which is going to be Spiritual Journey TV. It is not available at this moment. We are still on top of it. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Please, guys, note, if you subscribe to this channel, no one will know that you have subscribed. It doesn't show to everyone what you have subscribed. Please don't hesitate to subscribe. Let's grow this channel. We have grown it from one. It started with one follower. Now we are more than 170,000 of followers with over 20 million views. This is huge. This is a big channel. This is a big family channel. This is a big spiritual channel. Thokozani.